Hi, Tweety. Hi, Tweeto. You're beautiful birds, huh? You're beautiful birds. So if you guys have seen my old videos of Tweeter, my very first cockatiel, I never got to update you guys on that, and sadly she passed away in May of 2014 while I was in the Philippines. And a year after I came back, these two were my surprise because I told my mom after I graduated college I wanted a boy and a girl. Well, technically I told her I wanted a boy cockatiel for Tweeter when she was alive at the time. So I was really happy to receive these two as a gift from my parents, and they love having cockatiels as pets in the house ever since Tweeter. The difference is that Tweeto is the boy and Tweety is the beautiful mixture of the yellow and gray color. And the thing is, we had to separate them because Tweeto was attacking Tweety, and we don't know why exactly. And this was like 4 or 5 months in when I came back. So at first when I arrived, it was fine. They were both fine in one cage. But when we noticed that she was missing her feathers, her crown, we knew there was something going on. So we had to separate her from Tweeto. And she got better. Her feathers grew back. And also we tried to breed them before he started attacking her, but that didn't work out. There were actually no eggs at all. So we're just content with just these two. If we don't get any eggs at all, that's totally fine with us. But I absolutely love these two, and hopefully in my scrapbook or process videos I'll have photos of them to scrapbook about or put in Project Life soon, because I don't really have a lot of pictures of them, surprisingly. So hopefully you'll see that soon. So see you guys next time. Bye!